Guys, let me show you how I achieve this beautiful looking color using hot water bleaching method. This method is literally one of the best methods I love when coloring. It is very easy and stress-free, and also perfect for beginners. Right here I have my already mixed bleach, which is normal gold bleach. Mix it, the solution, the developer, and just watch what I'm going to do. Yes, you guessed right, it is hot water. So I am mixing it with hot water. I'm using the hot water to rinse the remnants in the bowl. Then I'm pouring it in the bigger bowl. Then I will mix it very well. Please make sure you mix it very well so it is all dissolved. And when that is properly mixed, you can go in with the air you want to work on. Please start from the tip. Don't just choke all the air inside. Start from the tip. Make sure you get something to press the air down like I am doing, and as you are pressing it, you are trying to separate it inside the water. You don't want whereby a part to be sticky together and the color won't get to that sticky part. So you want to scatter the air inside the bleached water, and you will just keep doing it until you are sure that this whole air is soaked in the bleached water. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. Once you are done with this, so you can just leave it and let it sit there for few times till you see the color is already changing and till you get your preferred color. But for this air, this is the color I want to achieve, and which is what I got. So I'm just going to be rinsing out this bleached water from it, because we are rinsing it out now. Make sure you rinse thoroughly. You rinse it properly until there is no product on the air. There is no any bleach, any dye on the air anymore. You rinse it very well. If you are not using a running water, you make sure that the water you are using, you change the water like 4-5 times until you are sure that it is very clean. And then you can proceed to adding your shampoo. Please, not anyhow shampoo. Use a neutralizing shampoo, just as the one I am using. Not necessarily this product, it can be any other product, but please do not use a roadside shampoo on a colored hair. If you want that hair to come out nice, if you want to get the texture of that hair back, please make sure that after care of bleaching, you use a very good product, a neutralizing product, a versatile product. So I'm just going to wash gently and make sure I wash out all the remaining bleaching product on it that I couldn't rinse out. So I'll make sure everything is washed properly. Then I'm going to rinse very well as well, like rinsing thoroughly. And then I'll be going in with my mixed conditioning product. Okay, this thing consists of my neutralizing conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, and also a silicone mix to bring back the texture, to revive the texture, the strand of the hair. You make sure you apply this generously. Please don't be stingy with products in this kind of situation. Apply generously. When you are revamping, when you are coloring, please apply product generously. Be generous with it, so that the texture will come back to life. As you can see, it's already looking silky already. So we are just going to detangle this. I'm using my brush to detangle. Start from the tip, then go to the top, then you detangle. Please do this gently. Be careful while detangling, though it will be already soft, but at the same time be careful while detangling. So make sure you detangle very well. So I'm just going to be putting it in a Ziploc bag. If you don't have a Ziploc bag, you can put it in a nylon, a airtight nylon. Just make sure you keep it somewhere that is airtight, and you keep it in a cool, dry place or under the sun. Let it stay there for few hours, or you just keep it in a cool place overnight, so that we can achieve a flawless result. All the ingredients will penetrate in the air. The air will be able to absorb all the nutrients in the product. As you can see, how the air came out is looking like a brand new hair. It's looking like a factory colored wig, and this is what we want to achieve. This is how it looked like after bringing out the following day, rinsing it and hair drying. Please, I did not sun dry. Make sure it dries naturally. If it takes days to dry, just let it be. Make sure the hair dries naturally. Please do not blow dry or sun dry. Then you can just go ahead with your styling, style to any preferred styling of your choice, and you are good to go, guys. If you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, also share to that your stylist that need to see this. Also, drop a comment in the comment section below. Tell me if you tried this hot water coloring method before. How did it go? Did it come out well for you, or it was bad? Let me know in the comment section. And also tell me what you would like me to make a video on next. Thanks for watching. Bye.